How to trade on crypto.com exchange for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can trade on crypto.com exchange. Well, unfortunately I'm unable to show you here in detail due to the option of not being able to access my account at the moment. I've been logged out of my account and I'm unable to do so or access it for the next couple of days. So I'm here making a video. I'll be using the official webpage crypto.com to guide you through. So here, how to trade on crypto.com exchange. Now, as you can see, the first things first, you want to visit crypto.com/exchange and select the login button. Once you have logged in to your account, you'll be able to make trades on the exchange. All you have to do is simply navigate to the markets page on the top left of the navigation bar. Then select the market that you want to trade in. Navigate to the pair you want to trade in, example CRO or USDT or Bitcoin to Ethereum and such, and select trade. Then navigate to the bottom right corner to find the limit market and advanced order areas. Select the type of order you want to trade with and fill in the necessary fields. You can see the note as well. Default price in the limit order is the last price it was traded at. If the market price of CRO/USDT is 0.1605 but you want to buy at 1.595, you can place a limit order. You can see it in the open orders if it is not fulfilled immediately. The percentage is shown underneath refer to the portion of one currency you have to purchase the other currency. So you can see the example here as well. I'll not be showing here, but if you want to read this article, I'll leave the link in the comments. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.